What's up, my dudes, and welcome back to a brand new diecast unboxing video. Today we're going to focus on Auto World square body trucks because you know I love them. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video with this one right here. We got us Premium Series Release 2 version A. There's 10,800 of these, and there's the rest of the card. And to be specific, it's a 77 Chevy Bonanza C10 Fleet Side. Love these old school colors. My grandpa would have loved it just the way it is. Let's go ahead and get to cracking. All right, here we go. First one of the video. Yeah, that one's really, really cool. Let's go ahead and move the light just a little. There we go. Very cool, like the white wall tires and the very appropriate rims. Very stock looking paint job. With Alabama plate on there. Look how tiny that is, and I can still read it very clearly. It's so awesome. Headlights and grille look great as always. Beautiful rubber tires. Chevrolet is painted. It's in white, so it's kind of hard to see against that beige. That awesome root beer paint with more beige. Very cool. Taillights look good. Bumper looks good. Of course, taillight flips down. The tailgate flips down, excuse me. It's been a long day. I worked about 12 hours or so. There we go. Open up the hood and see that very detailed, very cool looking engine. Awesome. Super duper stoked. This thing is really cool. And of course it's Auto World, so I already know it's a roller before I even try it out. Very nice. All right, let's put that one right there for now. Next one up is much more rare. The last one was 10,000. There's only 2,500 of these. And this is part 2 to the farm trucks. I opened up the blue one on a previous video. Very cool. Feel free to pause that if you want to read it. To be specific, it is a 78 Silverado K10. So it's a 4-wheel drive. All right, let's get to cracking. And setting it free. There we go. Nice. Really cool metallic green paint. That's really, really something. Yeah, their paint jobs are really nice. Got a little bit of bubbling right there, but it's all good. B&B Toys, I believe that was the distributor. Beautiful. Just so perfect. I love Auto World. Never have to worry about them. They're always really nice. This time we got some black wall tires and the same engine pretty much. Very, very nice. Oh, I didn't show the base on the other one, but it's probably the same. Let's see. Yeah, just bare metal. Very cool. All right, let's put that there, and we'll put that there. And next one up is another one of these really cool Rat Fink trucks. Awesome. This time there's $49.92. And I guess it doesn't tell me specifically what kind of truck it is. It doesn't really matter. I mean, it's a square body. Oh, cool. Got some like trash can there. Rat Fink stuff is awesome. So dope. Maybe it says what kind of truck it is on the back. Let's see. Nope. Just a square body truck. Cool. I'm cool with it. No worries. No biggie. These are so cool. Alright, let's check this one out. This time we got some really detailed, really fancy gold chrome rims. Those are wild. The tampo or the paint job on here is absolutely nuts. Look how detailed that is. Ed Big Daddy Roth. It's low profile tires. Let's check out that hood and wow. It's crazy. Supercon diecast, Supercon Las Vegas. I guess that's what it's from, 2021. I honestly didn't even know that. Sick. Very cool. It'd be cool if they made like the engine like pink or something crazy like that. I don't think they did though. Yeah, just same old orange and black. Still dope though. That one is really cool. Can't wait to put these up on my dedicated Auto World shelf. All right, next one up, the rarest of all of them in this whole video is only 1248 of this one. This is from Towing It to Showing It series, Mississippi Bark Finds. It's the clean version. Dope. And it's a 73 Cheyenne. So sick. Very, very cool. I had a choice between the clean one and the dirty one, and I like the dirty ones, but I mean, like this, I couldn't help myself. This one was just so dope, and it looks like I need to get some scissors out for this one, so I will be right back. And here it is. Very cool. I think this is the same rims as the Rat Fink truck, just not gold. Yep, looks like they're just chrome instead. Very showy rims. Slammed, of course, just like the Rat Fink. I love the slam trucks. Pasture. Very clean paint. Nice white top. Two-tone. Very, very nice. I love these trucks so much. Let's check out the engine, even though it's probably the same. Yep. It'd be cool to start seeing some differences in those as well. It would be nice. But overall, I mean, these trucks are so cool. Auto World is seriously one of the best die-cast brands, if not the best, really. Interior looks super nice. I didn't really focus on the interior of any of these, really. My bad, guys, but they always look nice. Look at that. See the stick shift, see the cup holders. Look how the steering wheel is like a different color in this one. Like a black steering wheel with, yeah, you know what I mean? It just makes sense. It's so awesome. This one's just all black, hard to see. So is the Rat Fink one, but yeah, I mean, Auto World really kicks ass. Love these. They always have very realistic like badging. They always have like chrome painted handles and, you know, just little details that really make it really special. Alright, you guys, that was the video. Thank you very much for kicking it with me on this Thursday afternoon. If you're new to my channel, my name is J-Dog, and I post diecast videos pretty frequently, 2 to 3 times a week, more or less. And if collecting diecast is your thing, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to smash the like button. And I'll catch you dudes next time.